Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Bergen County in northeastern New Jersey until 3:45 p.m. At 2:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Teterboro or over Ridgefield, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Yeah, there's
Impact,
some weather
expect
conditions.
damage to trees and power lines.
That's Bergen County.
Locations impacted include Hackensack, Bergenfield,
Oh,
Parama,
EAS.
Ridgefield, Fort Lee, Englewood, Rattle,
Hold on.
Teterboro, Teaneck, Garfield, Lodi, Palisades Park, Elmwood Park, Dumont, and New Milford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. You're listening to Noah's All